Ebusia, Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, this is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Ushami waha, nehiane so obebum, fila. You guys know, say, ubum fila on the comment section. I'll quickly come there and come and respond to it. Thank you guys all for what you're doing. Quickly, I have a very, very, very important message for all of you today. Now, 11 people, foreigners, who say Ghana Immigration Service for no, they have decided not to give us the countries of those 11 people. We have heard a lot of news out there in the air. But some of us, when these things happen, we try to go back there and look for the information. And we can give you as to how many people are from which country and who is their leader and what is going on. Now, Mukai said, about 4 or 5 months ago, I made a video and I told you guys something about the people who are in Ghana who are actually doing this money printing and even printing Ghana card and voters ID card. And I told you guys, I said, somebody is indicted in the situation. Somebody is part of the game. And that person is the main leader. Today, I am here. And I'll tell you guys again what is going on. I'll give you guys a filler that we are telling Pepe. Remember, all we do is to give you guys all the fillers that is coming out. Now, Ghana Immigration Service, according to the news, okay? So I will read a couple of stuff from Ghana Web, okay? I believe that all of you have seen it already. But again, going to read a couple of stuff. And I'll punch holes in Ghana Immigration Service. In some normally two, I'll punch holes in it. So, Timmy, or see, the Wager Sector Command of the Ghana Immigration Service has arrested 11 foreign nationals for their alleged involvement in counterfeit money printing and cyber fraud activities at the residence apartment at Tuba, a suburb in Accra. According to the press release date 7th, which is 2 days from today, 2026, the suspects were apprehended during an intelligence-led operation conducted by the Anti-Human Trafficking and Cyber Fraud Task Force Unit of the Wager Sector Command on Feed 2026. Now, let me tell you guys something that is going on out there. There's also something that is going on. I wasn't happy about. The system is trying to cramp down on some of these medias who can tell who is doing what and who is part of this kind of situation. Tomorrow, I'm gonna just come on your way, or we're gonna be doing live stream Saturday, and you guys have to come and listen to the details of what is going on out there. It's very important. I'll give you also another version of what is going on with respect to these 11 people that were arrested. Now, Ebusian, I don't want to go that much into the reading of everything that is going on out there, but I'm here to tell you, say, the 11 people that have been arrested by the Ghana Immigration Service, all of them are Nigeria for. All of them are Nigeria for. And I can also tell you, out of the total number that were arrested, no, Igbo for Edosun, see other Nigerian nationals are a Kanwa. Now, that should give you a concern and a signal to what I'm about to talk to you guys right away. The question I'm asking here is that why is it that these 11 guys have been arrested and we are not getting to the bottom of the issue and who was part of it? Ebusian, allegedly from where I sit, no, somebody on the higher hierarchy is trying to intercept this information. And I told you guys the last time, say, Mr. Chuku de Jude and his people, he has a group of people omuye money printing ewo Ghana, even ID card printing omuye ewo Ghana. So the question I'm asking here is, do we want to know who is the leader of this group? Because my ghost team has reached out to me, and the information they gave to me, you know, as soon, my ghost team have reached out to me, and the messages they give to me, you know, we need the Ghana Immigration Service to bring these guys out for them to mention the name of the leader who brought them to be doing this counterfeit and buying this machine. how they managed to get this machine. I told you guys 4 months ago, say Mr. Ehinetu and couple of people are big wings in Nigeria. Omo Ghana, omo printing until all the fake dollars that you see in the system. There's something they call black dollar. Omo printing via TME, all these things are there. There's something they call the black dollar. Omo printing black dollar no ewo Nigeria. No more they are cross through the border from Togo. Na custom officers na jihu bribe di. You bring those black things into Ghana. See, I know the reason why they are not able to do those things. They say security air tight. So omo machine no e Ghana. And I'm telling you, say there's amount of money laundry be air Koswa. Chuku the Jude and his people, they are certain caliber of business people are or more Nigeria or more front including some of them who are owning banks Ghana. TMA, they are holding banks or more banks Ghana. Or more to toss Asika where they are my boys away. Or more did Sajman or Modino. So what I'm saying here, they say these boys should be really investigated back to back until they mention the names of the people who buy the machine, because machine they should be able to see who paid for the machine, who paid for this machine. And we want to know. We don't want any katasomo amaso. You understand what I'm saying? We impede katasomo amaso issue biya. We can tell you from where we see Top Gossip 24 say, we can tell you, say there's a group of people that are from Nigeria living in Ghana who are trying their best to kill this case on arrival. And when we heard it, we will not allow that to slide on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Their aim is to kill this because they are in the position to be arrested if these guys are able to produce the evidence. Now we want to call upon the immigration service, Ghana Immigration Service, Ghana Immigration Service, Mr. Basintelli, the Interior Minister, Mr. Muntaka Mubarak, please and please again, these boys should be pushed to the length and breadth until they tell the mugu, the business mugu, those we call beginner mugus, or more Nigeria, or more betra Ghana, or more printing adi. These are the people, and there are some mugu, some business tycoon. They call themselves business tycoon. Some of them own banks. They own banks like UBA. They own banks like Access Bank. They own banks like GT Bank. They own banks like Nigeria banks now. Ghana. They own them, and these are the jobs they are doing. These are the way they are trying to make sure they make money. They bring people, come and cut fake dollar, put the fake dollar into the system, and the system keep running it, and then they will get the original dollar into the system. So we are saying that these boys that have been arrested, I give you guys that video 4 months ago, and I told you guys what was going on, and people never take me for serious. Sisi, I won't say achieve 11. These 11 people, some of them have their wings into the 16 sub-chiefs. 16 sub-chiefs now. Chuku de Jude. I let you across the whole region. These boys are connected. TME, but I'm stressing on it. Me say the 11 boys that have been arrested, some of them are connected to all the 16 chiefs, the 16 sub-chiefs that have been actually put out there by Chuku de Jude. Those 16 chiefs, sub-chiefs should be arrested and thereby leaking to arrest Chuku de Jude himself. Because this particular incident and this issue that you see, make I tell you, embody the smell inside this. I told you guys already, say, or printy Ghana card. I say printy sika, I say printy a passport near there. And this is the thing I told you, the counterfeit. We are saying, say, Ghana is not safe. We are saying, say, Ghana is not safe. Now, let me just tell you guys this. These guys were arrested on the 5th. The news broke out on the 7th. From on the 7th out to today, till 2 days. They are hiding the identity of those people that commit the crime. Why are they not coming out to tell us, say, these are the people that commit the crime? Now, the reason why they are not doing that is that the Nigerians, tycoons living in Ghana, they are trying to subdue and crack down on our people. Ghana for the media in Ghana, Joy FM, TV3, Metro TV, GBC, the other smaller TV stations that were Ghana, all of them have share. You see that Sam George, this is coming from the cyber crime office. It's coming from the cyber. cyber office. Why is it that Sam George is not coming again to come and talk about this? Because like to push them into not coming out to say quickly who is behind. I can tell you for a fact, these are 11 Nigerians. Number one, these 11 Nigerians, they are connected to the 16 sub-chiefs that have been put in place by Chukwudi Jude. These 16 sub-chiefs that have been put together by Chukwudi, they are connected to Chukwudi Jude. And there's one business mugu, Pia Okanwa, Onunso, all my boys, Chobo Ebusianfio. This is your humble servant on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Ushami Wahanuma, I'm telling you, Assembly Asia, we will dig. I reached out already to some big wins in the Ghana Immigration Service, and they told me that they already done with this. And all these people you see here, they are all Nigerians, and they are linked to the 11 sub-chiefs of Chukwudi Jude. And I understand there's one Nigerian guy who is in Ghana, who have been in Ghana for so long. He's a business tycoon, and he's also behind this. And we need to make sure we get all these things out of Ghana. It is very, very important. Chukwudi Jude who born Wasem, and I'm saying, the Ghana Immigration Service, Yoko, and all the CID bosses and everything, these issues must be actually investigated. Who buy the machine? They should find it. Who own the printer? Who pay for it? All these things are there, and we want to know. Bring out everything so we can name and shame everything that is going on in Ghana. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. We do our best. We spend money to get information, and we'll do it. I told you guys, there's some amount of child trafficking issue in Accra, in a particular place. We'll bring to you guys according to what we have found so far on this platform. Stay with us on this platform, Top Gossip 24, and join us on our live streaming at 1 o'clock US time, 6 p.m. UK and Ghana time on Saturday. And you guys will enjoy you do. Thank you guys. So that's